Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change profile picture on Mastodon. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Mastodon application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Mastodon if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom, we have the 5 tabs where you have the Home tab, where you can go and check out the things that people you follow are posting. The search, we have the, of course, posts. Here we have your notifications, and in the bottom right corner, we have, of course, your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your profile picture on Mastodon. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, you need to go to the bottom right corner and click on your profile. There, as you can see, you have a lot of options, but the option that we will be choosing for this video, and for all videos where we'll be changing some things on your profile, is Edit. Now, when you click Edit, here you can go and, as you can see, do a lot of things. You can edit your name, your background photo, and your profile photo. Just click here. Click if you want to choose a photo from the photo library, take a photo, or browse through your photos. Then just take a photo, put it, save, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.